Hey, how are you doing? It's Alan here from Looking for Warriors, and I want to ask you one question today. Have you heard about your brain's secret success switch? Have you heard about your brain's secret success switch? I heard that today. I was on Facebook, and of course the Facebook ad pops up and the guy says, "Hey, have you heard about your brain's secret success switch? Blah, 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 blah." And straight away I was like, okay, stop. Your brain's secret success switch, it's not there. There's no such thing. There's no secret success switch. You don't switch something in your brain and become successful. Now, there are some things that can absolutely help you. Maybe affirmations help, maybe hypnotherapy helps. Maybe there are things that can be of assistance, but you don't have a secret success switch. I'll tell you what your secret success switch is. Consistent work every day. It's the overnight success that's been working for 10 years, but you just haven't heard about. And the whole thing about Facebook and Instagram and YouTube, have you heard about this, your brain's secret success switch? The whole thing about Facebook and Instagram and YouTube, it's a highlight reel. It's a highlight reel of the best things that ever happened to you. So when you're sitting there and you're watching all your friends on Facebook and Instagram and you're seeing all of their holidays and all of their great pictures, they're not showing the picture where they're shouting at the kids. They're not showing the picture where they're just so stressed. They're not showing you the picture where they're thinking about what bills they have or what loans they have or how they're going to pay this or how they're going to do that. They're not showing you that. But that absolutely exists. Absolutely exists. It's very easy to be jealous today because it's all online. Everything's online and you can open up your phone in 10 seconds. You can see what amazing lives everyone's having. What amazing lives. And I'm even guilty of this a little bit myself. I'll go on to these videos and I'll talk about how I read to my kids, which I do. How I spend time with my kids, how I'm teaching them Photoshop, how I'm teaching them this, how I'm teaching them that. And I'm trying to give them the best life they could ever have. But there are times when I am alone or in the showers before I go to bed and I'm thinking, wow, am I living up to what I'm talking about on YouTube? Am I really that guy? And on one level I completely am, but on another level, and any parent will tell you this, on another level, I don't want to say, I was going to say I'm failing on a lot of levels, but I don't even want to say I'm failing because that's not true. But there's always, as a parent, there's always an insecurity. No matter how amazing you are, there's always an insecurity that you're not doing enough. You're not doing enough. But I can just say that I do a lot more than a lot of other parents. And there's a lot of kids who, from the time they're born, are just going to end up in jail and not going to have much of a life. And that's not the case. But there is always an insecurity that you're not doing enough or you're not the best parent you can be. But at the same time, you can only do what you can do. So the whole point of this is strategies to show you things that you can do, but you're never going to do it perfect, and it's never going to be. And don't try to be your Instagram friends' success reel or their highlight reel on Instagram, because it's not real. It's not their real life. You go live with them for 2 or 3 weeks and see if it's like their Instagram life. You'll get a little bit of a shock. So your brain success switch, you don't have one. What I would say is the success switch is doing just a couple of hours of work every day. If you could spend half an hour, 20 minutes, 10 minutes, even 10 minutes reading to your kids every day, that's the success switch. It's the consistent work every day. That's the success switch. That's what your success switch is. Now, I am going to press my success switch here and do the things I don't normally do. I'm going to ask you to subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate that. It really helps me out if you subscribe. I would like you to obviously have a look at the other Look for Warriors YouTube videos and press the little bell, because you'll get like an email or some sort of notification that I've created a new video. I create new videos every day. I try to make them as entertaining as possible. So help me with my success switch and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon. It's been Alan here from Look for Warriors.